Looking for the best space heater for small room? But what product are out there, and how do you choose? I've made this a little easier for you, by covering one of the best space heater you can currently find on the market. If you are looking for a reliable and highly effective space heater, the Honeywell HeatGenius Ceramic Heater fits that desire perfectly. Features an impressive, intelligent and powerful ceramic heating capabilities. Your room or floor area can be warm and comfortable. Provides 6 customized heat settings, to give you control of your comfort. Another cool thing about this model, is that it has a programmable thermostat, to personalize comfort for any room of your home. It also features a cool touch plastic housing, and a 2-hour auto-off timer. Here are the specifications of this great product.
The Honeywell HeatGenius Ceramic Portable Heater has been designed to give you complete control of your comfort level. The easy-to-use digital controls with LED display are on the front of the unit and come with a programmable thermostat and 6 heat settings to choose from. The new heat phase timer is a 2-hour auto-off timer that adjusts heat down a level every 30 minutes until the heater turns off, and the quiet mode combines heat with a gentle white noise for more soothing warmth. Offering maximum and peace of mind, this heater comes equipped with a tip-over switch, overheat protection, cool touch housing, and a 3-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.
Here's why we think this model is the best value product. And this is our ratings for this product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.